Milestone Mafia.
What are we gonna do?
Buy new suits.
At the top of the year, True Religion had like a 50 to 70% off sale. Obviously, we had to partake. Pack just came in, and let's see if we can't connect the dots, put some outfits together with everything we got here in the reservoir.
What is your profession? It's me, bitches.
Great day, Milestone Mafia. Welcome back to Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja.
Hi, Mom. What do you think? Look at my shoes. Aren't they great?
My God, you look like a gangster.
And as always, super humble for every pair of eyes watching, every pair of ears listening. And today, we're going to try something different. A new segment, if you will. Something that I haven't even quite came up with a name for, but I'm leaning towards connecting to dots, maybe put it together, or maybe you guys can help me out with the name. But essentially what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a clothing haul, take a look at what we got, and pair them together to make some outfits. Obviously, you know my opinion, sneakers are meant to be put to the ground and also to make a dope ass outfit with. Personally, I spend money on my sneakers and I try to really try to find the bargains when it comes to the clothes. Because at the end of the day, when you wear things with confidence, it don't really matter what you put on. But when you put it on and you got confidence,
Okay.
so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a look at what we got, put it together, and see what we come up with. How to rock your kicks 101. Obviously, we build them from the ground up. But if you don't feel that you have a large enough collection, what you do is you find some colors that match the shoes that you got and build it that way. When your kit collection gets large enough, then you can just buy a bunch of stuff that you just like and then pair it together later. And that's what we're gonna do here. So without further ado, let's get into the bag. Telling y'all, they was giving stuff away for like absolute steals. First, we have this long sleeve. Tell me that's not nice. You know what I'm saying? We have like a teal tie-dye action going with that True Religion right there on the centerpiece, box logo style, if you will. Got this taupe zip-up hoodie with this teal accent as well. On the back, we got the Buddha logo. I already know what's going on with these right here. Stay tuned. Got a t-shirt. I know what's going on with this one as well. And a couple of pair of jeans. Nice design. To me, jeans never been the focal point of the outfit, something that puts the top and the bottom together. But I guess that makes a lot of sense. All of that for under $150 is wild. So I probably did a terrible job of going through all of that, but I hope you can just see the colors that we're working with. Now let's go ahead and find the shoes that we're gonna pair them with. Also, shout out to Super Fresh Clothes, man. I've been rocking with a brand for a minute. So without further ado, let's go ahead and put these outfits together. Jump in the comment section and let me know if you're feeling this. If you are feeling it, I can do more, trust me. I got outfits. Make sure you hit that like button, hit a comment. If you feel to, subscribe. All right, so let's go ahead and get these wardrobe changes in and maybe make it a little fly. Give it the Things and Stuff treatment. What you think?
Bring that shit to you like this.